Hello, my name is Jonathan and I'm a musician from Israel. I studied classical piano for 10 years and today it's really helped me to produce and develop my music. 2 years ago I went to an electronic music festival and I heard a lot of musicians who produce trance music, and I heard the trance and I so loved it. And I decided that I have to start and develop my own style in the trance. And then I started to think with myself, how can I be a better musician, and how can I develop my music and my personality together? And then I started to look where is the best place to develop myself and my music. And I got to the understanding that Berlin is one of the most best options. My goal is to succeed by my music, develop my own style, and more than that, I want to meet people who inspired by music like me. We have people who have a common things with me. And then when I decided that Berlin is a good option, I started to look for a school where I learn. I looked in the Google and I saw the Catalyst, and I saw the opportunities in the school. I saw that that there are a lot of people from all of the world who come to learn and develop their music. And I think that learning your school will be will be so meaningful for me, and I really would like to join the course. Thank you very much for your time, and all the best.